This first ever flying car just completed a 35-minute test drive. And for the first time ever, you are about to see how it drives on the streets. 2-in-1 car and aircraft, created by a revolutionary Slovakian company, Klein Vision. It runs on a BMW engine and regular petrol fuel. It can fold its wings away and be driven around like a normal car. And here is how it drives. This is the future we see for the first time ever. The flying car market is estimated to be worth up to $1.5 trillion by 2040. This flying car can carry 2 people with a combined weight limit of 200 kilograms. It takes 2 minutes and 15 seconds from a car to an aircraft. Its creator, Stefan Klein, said it could fly 620 miles and at a height of 8,200 feet. Today, for the first time, it flew between 2 international airports in Slovakia. For a long time we've seen flying cars as a landmark of the future, and so it seems like the future is happening right in front of us right now.